Green dot on iPhone. So the little green dot is an indicator that your iPhone is using the camera. But due to background app activity or system error, the green dot may appear suddenly even when you are not using the camera. If you want to deny some apps access to the camera, then we need to check these settings. So if I open my camera, then on the top, as you can see, that you will have the green dot icon, right? That is because I'm using camera at the moment. And if you don't know which app is using your camera, then you can easily check it by swiping down from the top right corner, and it will open up your control center, and just simply go with camera and system. Here you can check that camera app is using my camera or your microphone or location and everything. So for now, only the camera application is using. But what if you want to disable this permission? Then the first thing we can do is close the apps which uses your camera. For that, you need to swipe up and remove the camera from your resets. And now the green dot has disappeared. As you can see that it has been removed. The next thing we need to do is check privacy and security. So open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it. From there, scroll down and then tap on the camera option. And here are the applications that use your camera. You can just simply go and turn these off. Here you can disable access for those apps which you don't trust. After that, you can just simply go and force restart the phone. For that, you need to quickly press your volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears on your screen. And that's it. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.